one of the first US customer delivery Hummer EVs, and the first one I've ever seen on the road. Literally just a ball of flames right now. Oh my God. What is going on, guys? Got a long drive down to Orange County for an epic car show, and for the first time in a very long time, gas is actually under $6 a gallon for premium. I think at one point about 2 months ago, this was over $7 a gallon. Brought Christina with me. You ready? Yeah. Someone's excited. Hour and 23 minutes to go. Damn, it thinks my range is 375 miles right now. I wish. In terms of quantity and quality, Orange County might actually have the best car scene in Southern California. They have so many different cool supercar meets. Unfortunately, even though distance-wise it doesn't look that far on the map, with traffic, it's like traveling to a different country most of the days. Kind of a cool view of downtown LA. I like the architecture in this area. What is going on here on the left? I like this guy's license plate, Mach 9 on the Evo 9. Christine just said that's me when I'm driving. That is you when you're driving. Damn, that is one big Porsche dealer. Look at the 2-story balcony with Porsches. Hour and a half later, we're going 3 miles an hour. Damn, that wide body E36 M3. Pulling up to the meet now. I think this is the first time I've been to this Cars and Coffee in like 4 years. So I'm excited to see what this show has in store. Some cool classics exiting. Check out that hot rod. Wow, this bridge is pretty crazy. The view down there. Nice Hellcat. Cool Aston Martin. Check out this sign. No revving, speeding, or burnouts. Check it out. We got Nick from VF Engineering in the Huracan STO, I believe. What's going on? Some unique cars. Loving this old Porsche. Look at this crazy wagon. And then wide body Hellcat behind it. Nice M2. Enormous turnout of bikes here. I'm impressed. Cool wrap on this 458 Spider, followed by a nice GTR and this sinister looking matte black F8 Tributo. These things are growing on me more and more every time I see them, and with the tune, they're absolute monsters. Look at all the cars exiting the show right now. Beautiful GT3 RS 996 Turbo, just reviewed one of those. Nice convertible Gallardo. Pretty Huracan Evo. The spec on this F8 is absolutely sick. I am loving this all white interior. And then my boy Peter from 1016 Industries, you guys saw I recently reviewed his tuned 992 Turbo S, and I guess is gonna get upgraded turbos, but he just got this clean RS6. Digging the wheels. Actually a really cool mix of vehicles here. Everything from bikes, then we've got an old Shelby Cobra right there. Nice looking 458, AMG GT, and then check out the beautiful Volkswagen Thing. This thing is so funky, I love it. Look at the interior, those seats. What do you think? I like it. Nice looking lowered Tesla Plaid, and then check out how ridiculous this is, guys. A C8 Corvette with scissor doors. Do you approve or not? I'm not gonna lie, it actually looks kind of decent with the doors up. But from what I've seen, most kits, they're a little bit flimsy when you actually raise the doors themselves. Actually, I don't hate it. And then this, absolutely stunning GTR. Love that color. This might actually be my buddy's car. That is gorgeous. This is actually the only generation GTR I haven't reviewed yet, the R33. This time I'm seeing under the hood, so to speak, of the Mercedes EQS all-electric sedan. Now, unlike the Tesla Plaid, it doesn't have a front trunk. Check out the electronics underneath the hood, and also, look at how far back the hood tilts on the car. That is past vertical. Pretty crazy. All of the underpinnings inside the EQS. Ooh, I gotta say I like this gray Tesla with the yellow calipers. It's a pretty cool combo. Pretty old Ferrari. And then check this out. This might be the craziest car here. 1992 Nissan President. Never heard of it. Check out the interior on this thing. One, pretty crazy badge. It's got an interior phone. I'm loving this decor. Look at the curtains they've added. Actually a massive amount of rear room back there. Apparently only 25K original miles. That badge is epic. And then this is sparkly. You like this one?
I love it.
Look at this, the second Corvette of the show with Lambo doors. Sweet looking modified Bronco with the doors and roof taken off. I'm actually gonna be reviewing the Bronco Raptor in about a month or so. I really like the way this thing's been built. Cool light bar on the top, radio setup, straight out of the military. Look at this Humvee. Love the color scheme. Some slammed Audis over here. Sweet lineup of E36 M3s. Favorite car so far?
A sparkly one.
This license plate fits this car so well, I love it. Look at this beast, this thing is huge. I have honestly no idea what it is. Packard. First time seeing the new Hummer out in the wild. What's up, dude? Nice car. This thing is crazy. I'm so down. All right, this is as impromptu as it gets.
Come on inside.
Oh, well, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, of course.
So first time in the new Hummer EV, totally impromptu. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course,
what do you think about this so far? You're one of the lucky few that has one.
I absolutely love this car. I don't like electric cars, but this is just so outrageously just different that it more than makes up for it.
I mean, a 9,000 pound SUV that can do 0 to 60 as fast as a supercar, that's not bad.
It will. Last time I brought this to Cars and Coffee, I just took it out up the street here, had an open spot, and I just threw it in the launch mode. All 4 tires spun.
Oh my gosh. Its displays are pretty cool too. Really easy to see.
So what's cool about this version of the car is that it's the Edition 1, as you can see right there. Which means it's the moon theme.
Okay.
Right, so we got, you see on the displays, you got little moon craters all over the place. If I change this, if I go through these modes here, you'll see like, here's Mars. I don't know what planet
Unbelievable.
this is, but if I go to regular, actually, it's just regular mode. Come on.
Now we're in Halo 3.
There we go. Now we're on the moon.
Unreal.
It's unreal, actually. Like, it's so just unique of a car.
What's the range like on this?
330 miles.
Oh, that's not bad.
I drove this from Newport to here.
No way.
On a full charge, and I mean, with it being on, I've been showing a bunch of people. I've only lost 2 more miles, so.
Pretty cool. I like all the switch gear here.
Yeah, no, it's all pretty sweet. Like, it's all, like, it all operates really smooth.
So he was just explaining, obviously the roof's missing, but all of the panels fold away in the front trunk. There's a decent amount of space in the front?
Oh yeah,
storage?
You could easily put an entire, like, Costco run up there.
That's pretty epic. And look at this poor Rivian. Lame.
Indeed.
That is a cool truck, but compared to the Hummer EV, I think you've got it beat.
Go for it!
Everyone loves it. All right, first time on the street in the Hummer EV.
Oh, perfect.
And we've got a red light up ahead. Unbelievable. So does it have a launch mode?
You ready to see it?
I'm ready to see it. How do you, wow, that is loud.
So to engage it, you push this button down twice.
Okay. Oh no. It's got a full-on animation.
Oh yeah, it's like, it's full-on like Tesla plaid mode and everything.
That is unbelievable.
So the car will lower. Hopefully it lowers in time for the light. If not. Oh, wait, sweet. All right, so brake harder, ready?
Yep. Oh, no way. Yeah. All right, yeah, no giant SUV is supposed to be able to take off like that. That's pretty insane.
No, not at all.
And
it's amazing.
I like how it spins the tires too. Like the Teslas take off with just no drama, but something about the tire noise, it makes it even cooler. And everyone standing on the corner there just lost their mind seeing a new HV.
What's even so funny too is like, there's a bit of an oh shit factor.
Oh, 100%.
Like, because it squats so hard that the steering goes light. You're like, oh, okay.
We're still in, wow. But even not from a dig, even at speed, this thing still pulls. That's unbelievable.
It's crazy. I mean, and all you have to do to turn it on is boom, boom. It goes away.
Wow.
You know, you're back in your regular mode. The vehicle lifts back to its regular height. And, you know, you're cruising on the road.
And just daily drivability, it's pretty relaxed and easy?
Super great.
Is it hard to park this massive thing? No?
Because it's got the rear wheel steering, it's super easy to park.
That is amazing.
Right? Like, you can pull this into any spot easily. I mean, it will fill the whole spot, but any spot, you're 100% game to park it.
I also noticed down here, We've got more moon themed. The speaker system has some crazy topography from the moon on it. Also, the floor mats down here. Cool wireless charging port right there. Massive center console.
Oh, it's huge. This is your Super Cruise.
Okay, that's what the stripe up there, it turns green or whatever.
So when you go, I think it's above 60, you can engage it.
Oh, so it doesn't do it at slow speeds?
No, but it will bring you all the way to a stop.
Okay, gotcha.
Right, so the whole thing is like, you engage it on the freeway, say you have your nav going, it will follow the nav entirely. It's right.
Here we go, U-turning.
Yeah, so
That is not, I couldn't make that turn in the McLaren, so if this can make it,
yeah.
I would be stunned.
I could maybe make this in my tiny Subaru, BRZ.
All right, here we go. If this makes it, I'm gonna be mind blown. No way! With ease.
Oh, with ease.
That's unbelievable.
It really is just, Chevy did a good job.
Yes, they did.
They did a good job.
Well, thank you so much for the ride, dude. This has been awesome. I'm excited for you. I know I've got a bunch of friends with these on order, and they're all literally gonna lose their minds when I send them this video.
Oh yeah,
because everyone wants one.
It's definitely worth it, for sure. You know, being able to feel like you're driving a car that's just a car. Yeah, it's all electric, but yeah, it gets looks, it drives great, but it doesn't feel like it's trying to be anything else other than what it is.
And how much horsepower is this thing?
1,000.
Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah, I'd say so.
10 or 15 years ago, you had to buy $1 million plus Bugatti, and now you can have a do-everything SUV, truck, car, electric family vehicle that's got 1,000 horsepower. Unbelievable.
Off-road car, you know.
And then we made another really difficult U-turn with these. Unbelievable. One last look at one of the first US customer delivery Hummer EVs, and the first one I've ever seen on the road. Take it easy. Oh, it's weird watching that drive away in silence. Honestly, really impressed with riding in that Hummer EV. Definitely got a review on in the near future. Well guys, there you have it. First look at the all new Hummer EV, as well as making it down to OC for one of the coolest cars and coffees. Although by the time I actually got down here due to the traffic, it was almost entirely over, yet there were still some pretty epic rides. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.